Hey everyone, welcome to my Kicking Horse Reopens video. So they've got the left lane or the right lane repaved going up the hill here, which is nice. Not looking forward to it in the winter time because it is new pavement and it's probably going to be a little slick when the roads get snow covered. Anyways, it looks like all they have to do along this section right here is paint the lines and throw in a no post in the center. So we're going up the hill a little slow. I'm 60,000 pounds going up this hill today. It's nice to be back going this direction or this route rather than down through Radium. So yeah. Anyway. So, while we're going up this hill, I'm going to tell you, I have a bunch of videos coming up of different construction areas along the Trans-Canada Highway in BC that I'm going to start following. And I have a brand new one that is just starting this year, this fall. So, as you notice, today I have a rear camera video coming up on the top left corner. Just to show you some stuff along, because anyways, so we're coming down. It looks they've done a lot of work here. It's starting to really look like a 4-lane highway now. I figure probably by midsummer it's going to be completed, not by next fall. That's my guess. Doesn't seem to be a lot of work left. All the concrete or cement work, concrete work is done. It looks like a lot of the paving has been done. They might have to put another layer over in some spots, like where I just went over right now. But anyway, so I believe we are coming down where they cut away the side of the mountain, brought the road level down. Nice. It's all been repaved along here. Coming up to the rock cut in the distance. This is a beautiful day for this, to be doing this. Putting up wire mesh so that the rocks won't fall on the road. Part of the reason why they did viaduct along here, I found out, is because they want the snow, when it slides, to go underneath the highway, not onto the highway, which makes a lot of sense. Anyway, and that's the information I got from the construction workers, because I have delivered to this site before, so I do ask questions when I'm on site. This is where the rock cut is. They have the westbound lanes are all paved now, which is nice. No more big trucks. They're all parked up on the left-hand side. Really not much to talk about except that it's starting to look like a 4-lane highway. I enjoyed driving this. I was looking so forward to doing this drive and making this video because it's been a while since I've made one. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy the rear-facing camera on the top left corner. Something new I'm trying. So if you don't like it, let me know, and I will remove it on my next video. So, looks like pretty well all the heavy construction equipment is gone. Just some construction materials left on the other side of the highway, no posts. Anyways, so this is pretty well it. I hope you enjoyed the video. We're coming to the end soon. very soon it's going to be completed, and I will be so happy. Anyways, if you liked it, hit the like, subscribe, send me some comments, let me know what you think of this video, and have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.